Here is the easiest way to make $150 by sitting at your home, starting off with step number 1, that is inserting words into the CAPTCHA box on the web page. Moving along with step number 2, and that is to choose I'm not a robot, and money is deposited directly into your bank account. Doesn't this sound too straightforward as a technique of generating money? Let's look into the 3 steps that will pay you $75 for 30 minutes of typing CAPTCHAs. In the first step of this 3-step process, I'm going to offer the names of 3 websites that will reimburse you for inputting screen CAPTCHAs. In step number 2, I'll show you how to make the most money using these sites in the quickest period of time feasible. In the final and 3rd steps, I'll teach you how to automate your internet earnings so that you can maximize your profits. So let's not waste any time and help you get rich fast. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notified about awesome videos such as this one. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any queries and concerns, drop a comment down below. For those of you who are interested in making money online to help you go ahead, or simply catch up, you are not alone. There are innumerable individuals who want to gain a bit more time and freedom by working from home or earning money online. There are a variety of reasons why you could want more funds, and I understand how it feels to be short on funds. I've been there myself. In the event that you've reached the point where every dollar, or maybe even every penny, matters and want to learn more, you've arrived at the perfect place. Today, I'll show you how to simply type in some CAPTCHAs and make some money. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the phrase CAPTCHAs, I will demonstrate just what they are in this video. It's often when a website wants to make sure that you're a real person who gets onto their site and not a bot with malintent message. So, if it says pick all photos with a ship or a bike, you must then select the photos that correspond to those choices. Alternatively, it could say pick all photos with something else, such as a school bus, and you must then select the images that match those choices. After that, after you are finished, pick all of them by clicking on the verified button to confirm your selections. That, my friends, is what I call a CAPTCHA solving solution. Some websites may pay you to solve CAPTCHAs for them, and you may be able to make money as a result of your efforts. I'm going to go ahead and visit the 3 websites right now as a result of this decision. However, while the very first website is not the best paying, it is one that you should consider employing as a beginning point for your online business. This will be done in descending sequence, starting with the lowest paid positions and progressing to the best paid positions. Because the website is called easytippingjob.com, be sure to stick with it until the end. It is being hailed as a breakthrough new technique of earning money online through chores such as capturing entries and being paid guaranteed. And it is gaining in popularity around the world, according to its promoters. In other words, it is available across Israel, and it is also available throughout the rest of the world. Simple registration and earning money by completing CAPTCHAs are all that is required to start earning money immediately. A large number of people visit this particular website since it is straightforward in terms of its wording, and because it is not difficult to capture 2 images that are nearly identical to one another. This is a guaranteed payout, as has been mentioned previously. All around the world, it is entirely regarded as trustworthy and accepted. This is a fairly straightforward website to get started with. It is not the highest earning website, but it is one that you should consider pursuing as a starting point. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel at the bottom of this page if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications when new videos are uploaded. Moving on, take a look at the following website, which pays far more for your typing CAPTCHAs and has been in operation for even longer than easytippingjob.com has been accessible to us customers. To be more exact, the domain name of this next website is 2captcha.com. 2captcha.com's website was registered in 2014, which means that it has been in operation for a number of years. It will become clear when you visit their website that they are a program that rewards you for completing CAPTCHAs and answering questions. CAPTCHAs are presumably something you're already acquainted with. It is those hazy sentences or visual riddles that you must answer before being allowed access to anything, such as the content of a website. You will be required to solve and answer CAPTCHAs as part of your job duties at 2Captcha. After that, you will be compensated for your efforts. The CAPTCHAs on the website are really simple to complete. It's as simple as filling out the letters, entering your information, and waiting for your payment to arrive with a CAPTCHA starting at 50 cents. As a result, there are a large number of people who are being compensated on this specific website, and you might get started as soon as you sign up on this website, which would result in a speedy income. In addition, you might accomplish it from the convenience of your own home. It's a really simple and straightforward process. During your spare time, you can complete this task on your smartphone or computer. As a result, this is a relatively straightforward procedure. You may do them in a reasonable length of time as well. As a member of this specific site, if you have 30 minutes to an hour to spare, you may be able to earn a respectable amount of money due to the fact that it is supported internationally and that you are paid on a consistent basis. To get started with TheCaptcha.com is quite simple, and you will earn even more money as a consequence of your efforts. Now, let us just have a look at the third website on this list, and I'm going to walk you through the process of making money with this website. This website is known as Captcha2Cash.org. This is one of the websites that generates CAPTCHAs. Captcha2Cash is one of the best online CAPTCHA input job provider sites, similar to TheCaptcha. Captcha2Cash pays a standard 1 cent or $0.001 for each correct CAPTCHA input, which is available around the clock, as opposed to other CAPTCHA entry sites, which pay $0.035 to $1.50 for every 1,000 valid CAPTCHA entries, depending on the server time of day. In addition, in some CAPTCHA sites, the rates for every 1,000 right CAPTCHA entries may be as low as 0.01 CAPTCHAs for the most of the time, so it is important that you choose the best websites. You can create an account on this website by entering the unique code that has been sent to you. If you want to make more money, you must make use of this code, and the newsletter collects information that will allow you to earn money and be compensated for it. All you have to do is click on the link, and you'll be taken to a website called megatypers.com, where you can earn more money by typing faster. There is the possibility of earning up to an additional $200 per month, and while they say every month, if you keep track of everything, you may earn this amount on a daily basis. In recent years, the vast majority of people have chosen not to do so on a regular basis. This is something that some people choose to do for 10 minutes, while others prefer to do it for an entire 2-hour block of time. Everything is going to be defined primarily by how busy you are and how you organize your day. I'm also gonna throw in a few other freebies for you all. Here are a few other websites that do the same job as the 3 websites I mentioned prior. The first of these is Calatypablo. It is one of the most popular CAPTCHA entry job sites on the internet. In accordance with the level at which you are participating, they pay $0.35 to $1 for every 1,000 CAPTCHA pictures that you properly input. Have a look at their most recent earning statistics to obtain some motivation. You'll discover the top earner there. They are severe, much like the majority of other CAPTCHA entry job sites, so don't make too many errors when entering in order to maintain your accuracy. In order to withdraw using PayPal, you must have $5 in your account balance. Otherwise, the minimum payment for most other withdrawal choices is $1. Another such website is Captcha Typers. Captcha Typers is another legitimate CAPTCHA entry job site to check out. You must send an email to admin@captchatypers.com in order to get free administration. But do not be deceived by any other fraudster, since they will send you an email using their official email address. You will not be required to pay anything in exchange for administrative access. So there you have it, folks. That's it for now. If you enjoyed today's video, show us some love and support by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the upcoming video. Until then, take actions, make that money, and take care.